All right, we get to that opening bell. Obviously, an important one for the markets this morning. Last look at futures, not great.
No,
off the lows though that we saw when they opened last night.
Right,
let's talk a little Caterpillar here in the mad dash.
This is what's, I think, plaguing the market. UBS, good firm. They downgraded Caterpillar from hold to sell. By the way, they took Cummins from buy to sell. So people are saying, well, there's going to be a halt in world trade, a halt in construction. So you sell companies that are related to infrastructure. And I think what you're struggling here is Caterpillar buy at a certain point? Because maybe infrastructure comes back. But my problem is I think you have to wait. And I know wait is just not what you want to hear. No one really wants to hear somebody come on air and say, I think you ought to wait and see. But I think that's the right thing, the right strategy to advocate, David.
Just wait.
Well, I'm not going to tell people to sell Caterpillar too soon. Look, let's say Caterpillar goes to 240. Can I tell people, hey, 240, you got to get back in? Are we using a 2007 paradigm, or are we using the other 20% declines? Because if it's the other 20% declines, then you can't sell. Okay. Might not have to buy. Okay. You can't sell. And that's what we have to decide. I want to take 2007 off the table. I hear people talking about 1929 and Smoot-Hawley. I want to take that off the table because employment is strong. We have a credible Fed. We're a juggernaut economy going into this. And this is, David,
makes it
I'm
all the more
it's
bizarre that we've chosen to do this to ourselves. Say again?
It's manufactured. This decline is manufactured.
Yeah, self-inflicted.
Right.
Totally.
So I can't say it's
not
2007.
Based on exogenous events.
I can't 2007 where I would come in and David would say, David, I said, how's Lehman? And David says, no, they're gone.
I'll tell you the other thing that's different about it is you don't have the rest of the world trying to help us solve it.
No.
In fact, capital flows, guys, from what I understand in the conversations this morning, are going the other way right now. They're going to Asia. They're going to Europe.
They are.
That's not a great sign.
No.